Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a question for the 17th, Jan 17th. It's quite a easy question, and that's why it's marked easy as well. Pretty, really easy, in fact. So let's go to the whiteboard directly to understand this question. Okay. Okay. So what we have to do here is, if we have an array, for example, this array here, uh, in this array, you can see that for every item we have a separate frequency, right? We have a unique frequency. So one exists three times, two exists twice, and three exists only once. Let's say if I had another three here, then that would mean I will have two threes, right? Let me actually use a different color. There you go. So let's say after this, I had a three. So this will mean I'll have two threes. Sorry, two threes. And this is not valid according to the question. So if it is valid if the frequencies here for every item is unique. If it is not unique, for example, in this case, if there were two threes and two twos, then we have to return false. Else, if every frequency is unique, we have to return true. So the question is fairly easy. Let's go. So the approach that I'm going to follow will be a big O of n solution. What I'll do is I'll create a hash map. Sorry, there you go. Frequency dictionary, and for every n in the array, frequency of n would be frequency 1 plus frequency dot get n. If n doesn't exist, return 0. Now we basically have to make sure that we are getting a unique list of frequencies. For example, if I go to the whiteboard, you'll see that if I have a hash map like this for 1, 2, 3, this frequency is 3, 2, and 1. I just need these values. Okay. First of all, I only need these values, and I want to count the unique sets of these values. Okay. Now, if the length of these unique values is equal to the length of the unique items that I have received, or the unique values that I have in the list itself, then that means that I have unique occurrences, right? So if one occurs twice, two occurs, let's say, 4 times, and if three occurs 4 times too as well, then the number of unique values for the frequency part of the hash map would be 2 and 4. However, the number of unique values on the value part or key part of the frequency hash map would be 3, and 3 is not equal to 2. So this means that there are certain entries in the frequency part of the hash map which are duplicate, or which are the same. So this is how we work on it. So let's go to the code. So here I've generated a frequency hash map. Now I just need to return true or false. So return, I need to take the length of set of ARR. So if the length of the set of ARR, which means that if the number of unique elements in ARR is equal to the length of set of frequencies dot values. We'll run this and submit. There we go. It's quite an efficient solution as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.